get copyrighted, you guys. Hi, it's everyone. How's my fearless ones? So I'm out and about today. This is like a work day for me. I'm delivering my mail. Like, I'm here I have a lot of these in a bag. These are my private label items, you guys. I was telling you about. If you follow my channel, you know that I mentioned that I private label some products. So I do have some that I pack myself if I'm available. If not, then I have Facebook, excuse me. I have eBay, Walmart, and Amazon ship them for me if I'm unavailable. I just put myself on like vacation mode, and they automatically, if their customers order from me, then they just ship them for me. So that's very convenient. But since I am working, I'm going to try to put out as many videos as possible that can be useful for your near future. So we're gearing up for 2023. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the year. You know, what have you accomplished this year as far as your finances, your credit, things like that, right? So this is something that I stumbled on that I thought, if I had this, I'm always going to say that if I had this, it would have been beneficial to my credit. You know, the lower your score is, the higher your interest rates, the lower your credit offers. You know, aren't you tired of getting credit offers of $500? You really can't do anything with it but buy lunch and maybe put some gas in your car. You want those high credit limits. You want banks to be throwing credit at you, okay? So how do you do that? You need to raise your credit score. So if you're in the low 500s, you're in the 500, 600, and you're right there at the threshold to be in the 700 club, but you don't have anything that boosts your credit, and you want a primary trade line, this is the opportunity for you. Yes, you read it right. The title is rent reporting. So rent reporting will boost your credit score between 50 to 100 points. This is a voiceover video, so I'm going to show you all of these things visually. I just want to get on here and say hi to you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and run in the post office. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you the voiceover right about now. Guys, I wanted to show you the company. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel over here. If you're new to credit building, or you're really not knowledgeable like I was for a long time, go here and click on what makes up a credit score, and I break down the percentages and what's important to your credit score and how it's affected when you do certain things in your day-to-day life concerning your credit. Okay, now let's get to the rental reporting. So how is this beneficial to you if you're a renter? So if you've been renting most of your life, or you're new, if you're new to rent, you're 18, 19, and this is your first apartment, you just moved in about 3 months ago, a month ago, and you need some type of credit history. You don't have very much credit history. You're applying for things and you're getting low, credit lines, or you're getting declined because you just have no credit, because no credit is just like having bad credit, you guys. So some people say, well, I just wouldn't apply for credit. Credit cards are not good. If you do not have credit, you're not going to be able to elevate your life. You're going to always be cash and carry, and that's not good when you're trying to purchase homes, or you're trying to purchase a vehicle that you can't pay cash. Like, I don't want to live my whole life purchasing cash cars, because pretty much they're junk cars. They have been pre-owned by 4 or 5 different people. I want something new, right? So you're 18, 19, in the next 4 or 5 years, maybe when you finish college, whatever your life is, and you know that you want to elevate your life and make big purchases, you need this company. Again, I always say in my videos, I wish someone would have told me about this, or I wish this was around when I was a renter, because I would have paid the money. So build credit with your rent payments. Report your rent payments for $2 per month. Boom report to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Report ongoing payments and up to 24 months of prior payments. See your credit score impacted in 10 days, so you can jump 50 to 80 points on your credit profile in 10 days. Now, this is how this is important to new renters,
are people that just started renting an apartment. You want this 24-month. This is credit history right here. This will really help impact your score if you have no credit history or very little, like you have a thin file, right? So let's just go down here and see how this works. It takes about 5 minutes to enroll. Looking at 10 days before it show up on your credit file. All three. Remember, we're all three here. And then here we can go into, and if you click the link and enter in your information, you can see all of this as well, just like I am viewing it now. Established credit is good for credit cards, personal loans, car loans, rental screenings. So let's just say that you and you must be a current renter. You can't buy this service to report, so you can qualify for rent in the future. You have to actually have an open lease in your name, and it can't be like a rent to own. Your name can't be on the lease or mortgage, because it's like considered a personal property. It's not rent. So those are some of the guidelines that you cannot do. You have to have an active lease, and you don't have to get your leasing office involved at all, you guys. You don't have to tell them. They will never know. This is very private, but these are the ways that this service will benefit you in the future. Mortgage. So we're at the end of the year. This is October, and you're looking to purchase a home. Everyone is gearing up. They're getting ready for their income tax. I always tell my children, and I tell everyone that talk to me about finances, because I speak finances every day, I always tell them to tell your money what to do, right? So don't get a large amount of money and you don't have, a place for it to go. Allocate your funds before you get them. So once you fill out your income tax and you know exactly how much money you're going to get, you should know exactly what you're going to do with it. Okay, I'm going to pay off X amount of debt with this amount. I'm going to save this amount. I'm going to spend this amount. Just don't go on a shopping frenzy, eat out frenzy, or whatever it is that people that's not responsible with their money do. And that's not me being mean. I'm just saying we're adulting, right? We want to make the best of our money. We want to say that, hey, in 2023, when I got my tax money, this is what I did. And I managed to make that small amount of money into $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 because I did, I was wise and smart. I was a good steward over my money, right? So every time I have an influx of money, I always, say I want to be a good steward over my money because I need it to last and stick with me. Okay. So simple, affordable pricing. Choose your options or both to maximize your credit impact. A one-time $10 enrollment fee is required to cover verification costs. Okay, so this is to cover the verification costs. That's to verify that, hey, you are the lease owner, this is your apartment or whatever, and then they will move forward once that verification has been done. So you pay on average $2 per month. You can either do annual, which will only cost you $24, or you can pay every month. It used to be every month you could pay. I guess that option is no longer there. It says report ongoing payment. Report your ongoing rental payment for $2 a month when you subscribe to an annual. Cancel at any time. You also have the option as you move forward to pay every month, and that is $3. So you'll save more money if you just pay the $24. Here's where it get really good, you guys. So if you don't want to invest any further and you're fine with the $2, you pay your $24. You don't have to worry about it again until this time next year, right? But if you want that rental history, so again, you're looking to upgrade your vehicle, you're tired of trying to repair it, you want to go in and get something at least new, used, up to date, and you need to thicken your credit file so your score can be higher. Again, this will assist you with making those points higher on your credit file. So you're looking at 50 to 100 points. Just depend on your credit file, because everyone's credit files are different. So it's not promised, but it will impact that credit score and pump it up to where you can actually qualify for some of the things that you want. Okay, so report past payments. So you can spend an additional $25 to report 24 months of past rental history to maximize your impact. I wish I had this. I really wish I had this. Okay, so let's go over here and just read what else they have going on. Personal credit specialists available, phone and chat to walk you through your score and what to expect. So you can contact them and say, okay, here's what my credit score look like. How will this affect? Then it says landlord involvement is not required. Your landlord does not need to be a partner to Boom, nor do we need to involve them. So they will not know at all. A hard or soft credit pool. Enrolling never requires any credit pool that can negatively affect your credit. Okay, so this will not affect your credit in a negative way. You're just adding this as a trade line, and this is considered a primary trade line because it's yours. Okay. Excuse me, you guys, I had to drink me some water. Okay, so this will not negatively affect your credit score at all. This is anytime it's your line of credit, it's always going to be a primary. Okay, so this is a primary, 2 years. I'm just going to automatically assume that everyone that is looking at this video that's trying to grow their credit score to upgrade their life in the near future is going to get the reporting ongoing payments for 24 months. Let's do 24 months so you don't have to worry about trying to make the payment. And then you can save. And then you're going to go over and get this, the report past payments. So you're looking at $49 or $59, including the one-time $10 enrollment fee is required for verification process purposes, right? So we need to verify your rent. So you're looking at $59 to get 2 years of rental history as a primary on your credit file. You can't beat it, you guys. So that's what I wanted to do, is share it. Look for more great content. I'm going to try to pump out videos as soon as possible. I have a lot of things set on my calendar to record and show you guys. We're going to get this credit correct so our 2023 can just be our best year ever. Okay, so as I come in contact with good things concerning credit, business, all of the things that I discuss on my channel, work from home, because you're always trying to find some extra income or side hustles to, help build your bank accounts and stocks and different things like that. Whatever you're into, we can always use some extra cash. I will definitely do a video. So again, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on those notifications so you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Welcome to my new subscribers. Hi to my old subscribers. Stay fearless, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.